Magandang gabi po sa kanilang lahat. Kahit po yung mga tagahanga ko, puro malapit na ipatawag ni Lord. Maraming salamat po sa lahat. Pag tumangkilig at tatangkilig pa sa pelikulang Pilipino. Para sa aking mga magulang, sa aking pamilya, at sa lahat ng mga manggagawa ng pelikulang Pilipino, para sa inyo po. Salamat.
Antagonist. Her acting history is decorated as some of her contemporaries. Her influence also on Philippine television and film cannot be overlooked. From playing the iconic villain Clara to transitioning into adult roles, Gladys is a true testament to the power of longevity and versatility in the entertainment industry. She remains a key figure in Philippine entertainment. Fattest child icon of Philippine cinema, Gladys Reyes.
Lahat po lang hindi official, sa likod po tayo. Nakakaharap po kayo sa view ng audience po.
I'm celebrating my 40th year in the industry. I was able to work with the best of the best third generations. Imagine from Ate B, Ate Guy, Kuya Boyet, of course, Nay Maria, and Ate Elty, Christopher De Leon, and Ate Julian, of course, Lulin, up to my sis, Vice, imagine, and hanggang sa mga new breed of actors po ngayon. Maraming salamat po sa industriya nito na hanggang ngayon po ay minamahal at niyayakap ako. Maraming salamat po sa Kakas Awards. Thank you so much po. And of course, maraming salamat, Panginoon. Thank you.
Standing as one of the age of 6 when he appeared on the 1987 TV talent show Eat Bulaga as a child performer. His soulful voice and ability to sing with such maturity for his age quickly made him a household name. He was soon casted in films and television shows where he became a prominent child star. His journey from a child star to a music icon is an inspiring tale of growth, reinvention, and staying true to one's artistic passions. While he is now best known for his music career, his childhood contributions to Philippine film and television remain a significant part of this legacy. Ice remains an enduring figure in Filipino pop culture, loved by fans for his acting, his singing, and his personal story. Famous child icon of Philippine cinema, Ice Sigera.
Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Thank you po, Famas, and thank you for using the right pronouns. I really appreciate it. I want to thank my wife, Liza, and my family and my friends. Kay Tito Sen, kay Tito Joey, at kay Tito Vic, Eat Bulaga, and Okay Caferico family, Mr. Tuviera, Tita Malucho of Agar, Mother Lily of Eagle Films, MZ at lahat po ng mga producers na kumuha po sa akin, sa mga direktor ko po at lahat po ng mga artistang nakasama ko. Marami po ako natutunan sa inyo na dala-dala ko po hanggang ngayon. Sa akin pong eskwelahan na awarded din kanina, maraming salamat dahil natulungan niyo akong pagsabayan ng pag-aaral at ang pag-arte. At sa mga press po at sa mga fans na mula po noon at hanggang ngayon ay tumatangkilik pa rin, maraming salamat po. At higit sa lahat, Ang award na ito ay dinededicate ko sa aking nanay at tatay. Maraming salamat sa inyo dahil kung hindi sa inyo, wala ako dito. At lahat ng tinuro niyo sa akin ay nasa puso ko. I hope I make you proud every day. Maraming salamat po.
As celebrated, Icon is a key chapter in her illustrious career. She not only became a household name as a child star, but also garnered multiple famous awards for her exceptional talent. Her career is a testament to talent, adaptability, and resilience in an industry that can often be fickle. She grew up in front of the camera and managed to stay relevant as she matured. A feat that many child stars struggle to achieve. Julian Santos' famous journey, marked by awards and recognition, showcases her dedication to her incomparable craft. Famous child icon of the Philippine cinema, Julian Santos.
Sa buhay ko, bakit ng 2 beses. Again, Thomas, thank you so much. Almost 4 decades in the industry, I still love this world. Hindi siya madaling mahalin, hindi rin siya mahirap mahalin. Mahirap lang manatili sa industriya ito kung hindi ka totoo. So this recognition, I would like to offer this to each directors and producers na nagtiwala sa akin ng bata ako. From Direk Argel Joseph, Direk Emil Cruz na nabuo ng Mara Clara, kung paano nabuo ang pamamahala ng tandem namin ni Gladys. To Mother Lily, for my first manager, Jesus Sida, Tito Alfie, sumadaming tawa, marami naman kaming pinagdaanan na pag-aaway, malaki ang tinulong niya sa akin. To my network, ABS-CBN, Tita Corny, Ma'am Charo, Star Cinema, everyone, each and everyone, na nakasama ko po sa industriya ko. Sila ang naging dahilan kung bakit nandito pa rin ako hanggang ngayon. Sila ang bumuo sa akin at habang buhay ko, ipagpapasalamat ang lahat ng pinagdaanan ko sa industriya. Hanggang ngayon, mahal ko pa rin ang industriya ang kinalakihan ko. Salamat.
Congratulations to Nanay! Wow! Congratulations to all our famous